Hey everyone, I'm Bits and I'm going to show you how to fix the following error which some of you got. Let's open up Reason, Preferences, Keyboard, yada, you know this part. MIDI problem, the MIDI port may be in use by another application. We're going to fix that. The problem is in the registry. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard, hold it and hit R. Then the run menu will pop up, or the run command. Type regedit as you can see here, regedit. Okay. Yes. File, export, and export the file to a backup. I already did it. I recommend to use today's date and save it. I've already done it, so it's not necessary. Once it's saved, go to HKey local machine, system, control set 1, control, class. Over here you see a list of keys. There is a bunch starting with 4036E9 and we need one which completes with 6C. And here is where the problem is at. It misses a key, so we're going to edit, right click, new, multi-string value, upper filters, 1T please, capital U, capital F, double click it and for value data type KST hung. Hit OK, close it, and now restart Windows. Okay, we're back in Windows. I restarted a Reason. I'm going to hit Edit, Preferences, Keyboards and Control Surfaces, Add. Wait a bit for the menu to pop up. Other. MPK Mini. I'm going to add a Thor and hit a chord on the MPK. That's it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to post your questions in the comments and I'll be seeing you next time.